Alright, just a quick video on rust removal using electrolysis. So, hook the positive lead up to your sacrificial piece of metal, hook the negative lead up to your gas tank, mix a little bit, about 1 tablespoon per gallon of washing soda into the water, and you can use a fancy supply like this. You can see we're drawing about 1 amp, a little over an amp of current at 15 volts, or you can just get one of these on Amazon for $6, and just right around 12 volts, 2 amps seems to be pretty good. And then you just, get some of these. This particular supply that I ordered came with a little end that plugged in there, so that was nice. And you'll want to clean this off every so often. It picks up a lot of rust. So yeah, simple as that.